Hey everyone, it's KRN here. This will be my first video going over my Audi S4. It's model year 2018. I've had the car for about 3 months and done some little things such as tint, paddle shifters, just extensions on those, nothing too crazy. The point of this video is really to just be an intro, but also to kind of be a before and after, as we have a lot of stuff going on with this car. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood in about a few seconds here, but we got a couple things going on for this car coming soon, such as AWE exhaust. That's gonna be coming in about 10 weeks. 034 Motorsports cold air intake, and then a front-mounted intercooler. As well as a honeycomb grill. So we got a couple things going. I'm going to try to make install videos on every single one. So if you're interested in those, just go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, this is just an intro. So hopefully I'll see you around. Thanks for watching.